A little side project here. Amy decided she wanted something to set hot plates on for the table. It's a pretty long table, so she was thinking 3 or 4 of them. And she picked out these granite pieces, which are basically tiles. Look to be about 3/8 of an inch thick. Let's see. Yeah, about 3/8, almost a half. Yeah. So they are heavy, but not like if you were to put an 1 1/4 inch piece. If you were to put 4 of them on, it'd be much heavier. So I can see why maybe this size is better for what the table, the given table. So what I'm doing is I decided to oil the edges. And I'm going to put a thin coat on the top too. And even the bottom. So I'm using linseed oil. It's less expensive. And for the granites, it seems to do a fine job. Possibly yellows a little bit, but you know, we're talking yellows are in here already. We have golds and yellows, and so is it really noticeable? I'm not sure, but we'll know over time. The reason I am putting it on, first of all, it does gives it more of a finished edge. I did take sandpaper and I hand sanded the edges all the way around and the corners just a little bit. So it'd be a little softer. Not a lot, but just a little bit of sanding. Probably took me like 10 minutes at the most to do all of them. So that gives you an idea. And it was really good sandpaper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and coat them. What I did was I did the corners just to show the difference. This one I did this whole edge. You can see that edge I did not do. Here I did the corner. And here I did the corner. So it may give it more of a matte finish. I don't think it's going to glare as much, but that's okay. Okay, let's go ahead and finish them up and let them dry so we can take them to Lewistown because that's where they're going. A beautiful stone, just it's amazing stone pieces. Oh, this is Santa Cecilia, and the others I do not know what the names are. I'm sure they're granites given the look of them. And the back of them, I should show you the back of each one. So this is unpolished. Unpolished, oh, that one does have a name on it. Let's see if the others have a name. No, no name. Not sure I can get this one. No name, but it shows you what they look like with no oil on them. But that doesn't really matter. That's the bottom. She is going to put little felt pads on them. So we'll have to let the oil dry before that happens. Okay, beautiful stuff. The oil does make it a little bit more vibrant.